This is another chapter, I suppose, trying to come up with a mini cook system for when I go out camping. So what I have here is, this is a very used Walmart bag. Okay. Can of guess. Utensils. Trangia Mini with a little cover that I had from another cook set that fits perfect. And then the last piece is just a little cutting board. I think I've shown this before. I'm missing one item here. I don't know what happened to it. I had a pair of tongs and they disappeared. But anyways, a mini spatula. I got this, comes from a kit at Walmart. It's my Yuko spork. And this is an inexpensive cutlery. Again, from Walmart. It's very sharp, but it's tough going through because of the thickness of the blade. But it seems to work. And I like the fact that it has this cover on it. And of course I keep this for checking the temperature on my meat. So there's all that. Take this off. When I open this up, wait do you see what's in here? Obviously the full set of tongs. And I keep this for underneath my can. And then what I have here is the Pathfinder Pack Stove. It's not on Amazon. You have to go to Pathfinder. It's $17.99 plus about $6 shipping US, so it's about $24 or so. This stove has some quality issues to it that I've had to work around. It's specifically designed in this package to drop inside the Pathfinder 1 quart pot that they have. So you got this, and then you have this. Okay. What's nice about, the reason I went for this is because it's a nice wide burner, which eliminates hot spotting. If you look at this, look at the size of it. That's a perfect flame for this. Again, this thing has quality issues. I actually did a review video on YouTube. Not exactly the greatest piece of equipment. You got to you're going to have to mess with it if you buy one of these. But, okay, let's get that on there. Let's get this out of the way. Make sure it's off. Spin that on. And like, just like that. Now, look at that. Perfect. Okay, so let's see how this works. Turn down the light. Now, this can is almost empty, actually. Lowest flame, that sounds like an airplane. You bring it up just past the airplane sound, and that's low. Or, that's wide open. So you can get quite the burn out of this. So now I'm going to put 1 cup of water on here. I put a couple of scribe marks on here. 1 cup, and I don't know if you can see the other one, 2 cups. 2 cups, 1 cup. So as you can see, that flame is perfect underneath this pan. Since I got this little cover, look at how that fits. Fits like a glove. Now, let's see how fast this takes to boil. I've actually cranked it. Look at that flame. Isn't that beautiful? I forgot to time this, but I've done this enough. So I can tell you, 1 cup of water starts to come to boil in like 1 minute and 36 seconds. Unreal. And just to see how the small pan sits, okay, again, my little cover fits over that just nice. It doesn't drop in. I'll do some sauteing or potatoes, onions without trying to keep the splash down. Fits good. Look at that flame. All right, I don't want to leave this on here too long because it's empty. but that's the lowest flame I can get, and that's a beautiful diameter flame for the Trangia Mini. I can cook eggs on there. It's awesome. I can't believe how perfect this fits. Drops right in there. Look at that. Fits like a glove. So this breaks down pretty decent. Screw this off. Make sure the valve is off. Off. Hold this down. Goes back in the little Cordova pouch, which has got a little belt loop on it too. Stuff that on the top. Squishy the corners, shove it down in there. Put that in there. Like that. Snap it. Look at that. Nice and quiet. I'll have to get a heavy duty band for this, because in the cold these are gonna crack and break. But I've got I got like 2 or 3 extras down in the bag there in case I need another one. Cutting board, kit, these on the side, tank, bada bing, bada bong. Whole kit weighs a touch over 2 pounds. Not the end of the world. Not super lightweight, but for wild camping, I don't really care about that. That's fine. Pathfinder Pack Stove, stuffed inside, Trangia Mini 28.